सर्वेभ्यः हृत्पूर्वकनमस्काराः. So yesterday we have completed learning Mangalashasanam also. Welcome, Swagatam to all of you to this Sri Venkateshwara Suprabhatam Parayana Shikshanam. This has been a wonderful yajna. We commenced around 13 or 14 days ago. And we have completed learning all the 4 components: Sri Venkateshwara Suprabhatam, Stotram, Prapatti, and yesterday we completed Mangalashasanam. So as announced yesterday, we will commence with a quick revision, Punaravartanam of the verses in Mangalashasanam, followed by individual chanting. So please raise your hands. There will be a lot of time today for individual chanting. An earnest request, please, those who have already chanted, please give an opportunity for others to chant. So kindly do not raise your hand if you've already chanted in class. There are several people who have not got an opportunity even once to chant, and tomorrow will probably be the last class of individual chanting. So request you all to kindly be considerate and give others a chance who have not chanted even once in class. And once they all finish chanting, then if there is still time, those who have already chanted also could chant. So I have the names with me, those who have already chanted. So it would be helpful if you could voluntarily do that. So please give others a chance to chant. And we will begin as usual with Guru Vandanam. गुरुरेव गतिर्गुरुमेव भजे गुरुणैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोः मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो श्रियः कान्ताय कल्याणनिधये निधयेऽर्थिनां श्रीवेङ्कटनिवासाय श्रीनिवासाय मङ्गलम् लक्ष्मीसविभ्रमालोकसुभ्रूविभ्रमचक्षुषे चक्षुषे सर्वलोकानां वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम् श्रीवेङ्कटाद्रिशृङ्गाग्रमङ्गलाभरणाङ्घ्रये मङ्गलानां निवासाय वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम् सर्वावयव सौन्दर्य संपदा सर्वचेतसां सदा सम्मोहनायास्तु वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम् नित्याय निरवध्याय सत्यानन्दचिदात्मने सर्वान्तरात्मने श्रीमद्वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम् स्वतः सर्वविदे सर्वशक्तये सर्वशेषिणे सुलभाय सुशीलाय वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम् परस्मै ब्रह्मणे पूर्णकामाय परमात्मने प्रयुञ्जे परतत्त्वाय वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम् आकालतत्त्वमश्रान्तमात्मनामनुपश्यताम् अतृप्त्यमृतरूपाय वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम् प्रायस्वचरणौ पुंसां शरण्यत्वेन पाणिना कृपया दिशते श्रीमद्वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम् दयामृततरङ्गिण्यास्तरङ्गैरिव शीतलैः अपाङ्गैः सिञ्चते विश्वं वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम् स्रग्भूषाम्बरहेतीनां सुषमावहमूर्तये सर्वार्तिशमनायास्तु वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम् श्रीवैकुण्ठविरक्ताय स्वामि पुष्करिणीतटे रमया रममाणाय वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम् श्रीमत्सुन्दरजामातृमुनिमानसवासिने सर्वलोकनिवासाय श्रीनिवासाय मङ्गलम् मङ्गलाशासनपरैर्मदाचार्यपुरोगमैः सर्वैश्च पूर्वैराचार्यैः सत्कृतायास्तु मङ्गलम्. So this is Shri Venkatesha Mangalashasanam. Request those who want to chant individually to please raise your hand and I will call out your names. When I call out your name, please unmute and you could chant the verses. We have revised, I think, till Stotram and even Prapatti for that matter. So let us start with Mangalashasanam. But these are only 14 verses. So after this, we will go back to Suprabhatam and start. Just before we begin this individual chanting, a gentle reminder of what I told you yesterday. We are having our special concluding session on 30th, that is day after tomorrow, on Wednesday. And we will also have a chief guest who is going to address us. I will send you the schedule and the program by today or tomorrow. So all of you, please join us for that. And also, if you know anyone else who has been attending the webinar, either on YouTube Live or here in the Zoom meeting, so please tell them also. All of you, please join us for what we call Samarpanam, that is an offering to Bhagavan, the final concluding session of this webinar. So that is on the 30th. And all of you, please note and please do come on that day. Shaivya Narayan.
Yes, ma'am. Ram, Ram, Ram.
Ram, 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 Shaivya.
Shriya Kantaye Kalayane Nidhaye Nidhayerthinam Shri Venkatanivasaya Srinivasaya Mangalam.
Once again, Shaivya. Once more, Shaivya. Please unmute.
Shriya Kantaye Kalayane Nidhayerthinam.
It is Kalyana Nidhaye.
Okay, ma'am. Shriya Kantaye Kalayana Nidhayerthinam Shri Venkatanivasaya Srinivasaya Mangalam.
Okay, so just one observation. Your last letters should be chanted completely. As in Shriyah Kantaya. That ya should be completely chanted. Instead of Shriyah Kantaya Kalyan. That's what I'm hearing it as. So please chant the last letters completely. Shriyah Kantaya Kalyana Nidhaye Nidhayerthinam Shri Venkatanivasaya Srinivasaya Mangalam. This is one common thing for all of you. Unless there is a halanta, that is like you have in the last word here, Mangalam. Unless there is a halanta, all other words should be chanted completely. Dhanyavadaha, Shaivya.
Dhanyavad.
Pradnya. Second verse. Oh, sorry, I will give you the second verse, just a second. Yes. Ram Ram Pragnya. Dhanyavadaha Pradnya. Like last time, your voice is not audible. I'm not sure why that is. Kindly check your mic settings. I could hear it in a very feeble way. Anyway, can't hear you properly. It's very, very feeble. Dhanyavadaha Pradnya. KVSS Iyer Mahodayah, please unmute.
Yeah. Namaste, madam.
Namaste, Mahodaya.
Sri Venkadadri Sangrama Mangalabharanagriye Mangalardhaye Mangalanam Nivasaya Venkadeshaya Mangalam.
Here there are certain things to be changed, Mahodaya. Shri Venkatadri Shringagra Mangalabharanangraye. Some letters were not very clear. Mangalanam Nivasaya Venkateshaya Mangalam. So the recordings. Yes, please, you could repeat.
Sri Venkadadri Sringagra Mangalabhara Granaye Mangalangtraye Mangalana Nivasaya Venkadeshaya Mangalam.
Still a bit, some letters have to be clearer, but also one more observation is, it is not Sri, it is Shri Venkatadri and Shringagra, not Sringagra. So all of you please note that it is Shri, the Sh pronunciation should be clearer. Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. So just
Namaste,
wanted to share,
you.
Namaste, just wanted to share with all of you that as per your request, the recording of just the revision, just only the Punaravartanam portion of Suprabhatam, Stotram, Prapatti have already been uploaded on YouTube. So as a separate YouTube session. So you could listen to that for practice. In that you will get start to the end completely, the entire Suprabhatam, Stotram and Prapatti. Today's session Mangala Shasanam also will accordingly be uploaded. So you don't have to wait for the audio recording. In fact, you don't need a separate audio recording now because we already have uploaded those particular revision sessions separately, exclusively on YouTube. So please refer to that for practice. And as you listen more, you will be able to get the pronunciation right. So even if you are doing any other work, like you're driving or you're walking or you're doing something else, you can keep playing it in the background and it would help you to understand the pronunciation better. Uma S. Bhagini, please unmute.
Shri Venkatadri.
Next verse, Bhagini. Next verse, sorry, I will change the slide.
Sorry. Sarvavayava Saundarya Sampada Sarvachetasam Sada Sammohanayastu Venkateshaya Mangalam.
Uttamam Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha.
Rupa Sudha Bhagini, please unmute. Also, whoever has not chanted till now, please make use of this opportunity to chant. It is a good way to assess yourself as to where you stand. Has this webinar helped you? Have you learned Sanskritam chanting better? So I request all of you, because there is more time today. Generally, we don't have this kind of time. So, and also fortunately, we have completed learning about 2 days in advance. So please, all of you take this opportunity and would love to listen to you. Rupa Sudha Bhagini.
Suprabhatam Mahodaya.
Suprabhatam.
In the slokam, may I speak in Tamil?
You could, yes. I understand Tamil, but I don't speak Tamil.
Okay.
But I can reply in English.
Which is slokam? Which is slokam?
Fifth one, Bhagini.
Nityaya Niravadya.
Yes.
Nityaya Niravadhyaya Satyananda Chidatmane Sarvantaratmane Srimad Venkateshaya Mangalam.
Uttamam, Bhagini. Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavad.
Dhanyavada.
Madam, I am from Karur, Tamil Nadu.
Karur, yes.
Karur district, native Kulithalai.
Wonderful, Bhagini.
I like to chant full stotram. How can I chant?
In the sense, Bhagini, full stotram in the sense, you could say in Tamil itself. I can see if I can understand.
Okay. Full stotram solradna eppa solradhu eppadi manaparam? Full
stotram in the sense you mean Suprabhatam, Stotram, Prapatti and Mangalasama, or only Stotram?
ஒரு ஸ்தோத்திரம் சொல்ற ஒரு ஃபுல் ஒரு இது ஸ்தோத்திரம் 10 இது பிரபத்தி அந்த மாதிரி சொல்றதா இருந்தா எப்ப சொல்லணும்?
You could chant it, Bhagini. I mean, morning is okay for any chanting. And when Suprabhatam can be chanted, if that is your question, like I already mentioned, I think in the 3rd class or 4th class, we have dealt with this in detail. That, I mean, it is really up to you, Bhagini. There are certain reasons why we chant it in the morning, because the bhava, etc. is waking up Bhagavan, and also to initiate certain good practices in us also, waking up early, etc. But if you want to chant it at any other point of time, I mean, it is really up to you. I mean, there are different schools of thought on this. I mean, I've spoken about this aspect in detail in one of the classes. Please listen to that, Bhagini. You will get your reasons also why we say certain things. Dhanyavada. Lata Bhagini, please unmute.
Namaskara Bhagini. Swada sarva vide sarva saktiye sarva seshine sulabhaya susilaya venkateshaya mangalam.
It is Svata sarva vide sarva shaktaye, not sarva saktiye. It is not sa. Here it is sa, but next is sha, shaktaye. Sarva sheshine, again not sa here. Only the first letter is sa. Let me highlight, maybe it will become clearer. Sarva, this sa is sa. The next letter is sha. Sarva sheshine. This sa and this sha are different, so they have to be differentiated while pronouncing.
Sulabhaya sarva seshine.
Sarva sheshine, not sarva se. Sarva sheshine.
Sarva seshine, she.
She, not
sarva. Sarva seshine. Sulabhaya.
Again, I'm hearing say, Bhagini. I think with practice you'll get it. It is shaktaye and sarva sheshine. Sha.
Oh.
Okay. Here, like same
Okay,
like Venkateshaya. Same like.
Okay, I will practice daily.
Yes. Please listen to the recording and practice. That is most important, because if you keep just reading without listening to the recording, you might be saying the same, error every time, like in pronunciation. But if you listen, by listening, you'll get to know the difference. This is a word which has all the 3 letters, sa, she, and she. There is a difference in pronunciation of these 3 letters, sa, sha, and sha. You could go back to the first class where we have dealt with rules of pronunciation. You will get to know more about this. Dhanyavadaha, Bhagini. Okay, next. Balaji Mahodayaha, please unmute.
Namaskaram.
Namaste, Mahodaya.
Parasmai Brahmane Purna Kamaya Paramatmane परयुज्ञे परतत्त्वाय वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम्।
Uttamam Mahodaya. Well chanted.
धन्यवादः.
Dhanyavadaः. Shivakumar Subramanian Mahodaya, please unmute.
राम 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 भगिनी.
Ram Ram Ram.
आकालतत्त्वमश्रान्तमात्मनामनुपश्यताम् अतृप्यमृतरूपाय वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम्.
Once again, Mahodaya.
आकालतत्त्वमश्रान्तमात्मनामनुपश्यताम्.
Just a second, it should be Akala Tattva Mashranta, as in here there's Vitvam. Akala Tattva Mashranta, that it is not Akala Tattva Mashranta, it is Akala Tattva Mashranta. There, that sh.
Okay, the stress has to be there. Okay,
Yes,
I'll
before-
repeat that line only. Yeah.
Yes, that line, please.
आकालतत्त्वमश्रान्तमात्मनामनुपश्यताम्.
Next
Is it
line
okay?
also.
अतृप्त्यमृतरूपाय वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम्.
Yes, Mahodaya, well chanted. Here, we chant the entire line together. Actually, two lines together. Akala Tattva Mashranta. We don't pause before ma.
Okay.
So this one slight observation. Otherwise, it is correct. Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. Well
धन्यवाद.
chanted.
धन्यवाद.
Suvarna Bhagini, please unmute.
Namaste Mahodaya.
Namaste Bhagini.
Prayasarvata sarana pumsam saranyasvena panina kripaya dikate srimatvenkatesaya mangalam.
First line, it is Prayasva Charanau Pumsam. So there was some slight difference there in what you chanted. It is Prayasva Charanau Pumsam. Please note that, Bhagini.
Can you chant once again?
Only the first line you could.
Prayasvacharanau pumsam.
Ha,
It is
okay. Yes, yes, it is correct. Dhanyavadaha. Tripura Sundari Bhagini, please unmute. Tripura Sundari Bhagini, please.
दयामृततरङ्गिण्यास्तरङ्गैरिव शीतलैः अपाङ्गैः सिञ्चते विश्वं वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम्.
This again, it is not Sitalaihi, Sheetalaihi Bhagini. The Sha, it is different from Sa. This is Sinchate. Next line is Sinchate. This is Sheetalaihi. I think many of you are getting confused between this Sa and Sha. They are two different letters. Sarvam, there it is Sa. Whereas here, Sheetalaihi, Shubham, Shri, there it is this Sha. So I'm hoping that my pronunciation is clear to you when I say Sa and Sha. There is a difference. So please be careful. Here it is Sinchate Vishwam, Sheetalaihi, Venkateshaya. So this Sha should not be chanted as Sa. That would be not correct. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Please practice that pronunciation. Next. Kala Bhagini, please unmute. Kala Bhagini, please unmute. Kala Bhagini. Okay. Jayalakshmi Rajaratnam Bhagini. Please unmute. Ram Ram Ram.
I am Kala.
Who should say?
Okay,
Ma'am,
okay.
I am Kala.
Just a second. Jayalakshmi Bhagini, I think I will ask you next.
Okay.
Yeah, sorry. I called out Kala Bhagini's name. She couldn't unmute, but now she's unmuted. Yes, Kala Bhagini.
Suprabhat, ma'am.
Suprabhatam.
श्रीवैकुण्ठविरक्ताय स्वामी पुष्करिणीतटे रमया रममाणाय वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम्.
Ha. Shri Vaikuntha. That pronunciation should be clearer. Shri
श्रीवैकुण्ठविरक्ताय
Yes. Next line.
स्वामी पुष्करिणीतटे.
So one thing here, Bhagini, if you chant like how you chanted now, Shri Vaikuntha Viraktaya Swami Pushkarini Tate, that is correct because you took a pause after each pada. However, if you choose to chant both the padas together, as in the first and the second line, then it should be Shri Vaikuntha Viraktaya Swami. There is a stress before sa. That is, if you choose to chant both padas combining.
Yes.
But if you choose to take a pause, then there is no need. Okay, so these are slight nuances because our aim is to ensure that you chant perfectly. So, which is why we point out these things. They are slight nuances to improve your pronunciation. Dhanyavadaha, Bhagini.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
And also, like I was telling you in one of the classes, you should always ensure that you learn from a perfect, authentic recording. Especially in Sanskritam verses, there are multiple versions of many stotras, Suprabhatam, Vishnu Sahasranamam, Lalita Sahasranamam on the internet, which have a lot of errors and sandhi is not split properly, etc. So you should choose, I mean, our recordings are available on YouTube, but whichever recording you choose for any stotra for that matter, you should ensure that it is an authentic version and that, you know, someone who knows Sanskritam and grammar, they have ensured that everything is perfect, the pronunciation, sandhi splitting, everything. Next, Jayalakshmi Bhagini. Yes, you could unmute now.
Shri Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Ram.
Sundaraja Matrumunimana Savasine Sarvaloka Nivasaya Srinivasaya Mangalam.
Once more, Bhagini.
Srimad Sundaraja Matrumunimana Savasine Sarvaloka Nivasaya Srinivasaya Mangalam.
So this word Jamatru, slight change there. It should not be chanted as Jamatru. It is Jamatru. I hope the difference you're able to make out in my chanting, in my pronunciation.
Shall I try once?
Just one more. I will tell you another thing and you could try the entire verse once more. So one is this Srimad Sundara Jamatru. It is not Jamatru. That ukara is not there, but it is Jamatru. And next observation is Sarvaloka Nivasaya. Same thing which I told in the previous verse. In case you choose to stop there, you could just say Sarvaloka Nivasaya Srinivasaya Mangalam. But if you choose not to stop, it should be Sarvaloka Nivasaya Srinivasaya Mangalam. That stress before sh, if you choose not to take a pause. So you could choose either way.
Okay.
Once more, Bhagini.
Srimad Sundaraja Matrumunimana Savasine Sarvaloka Nivasaya Srinivasaya Mangalam.
Uttamam. Very musically chanted, very nice. The second time your stress before Shiv was clear. Sarvaloka Nivasaya Srinivasaya Mangalam. In Mangala Shasanam, please note this, all of you. If you are combining two padas, sometimes there is a necessity for that dvitvam. So you should note that. But if you choose to take a pause, then it is okay. No need to stress. Next, Usha Sukumaran Bhagini. Please unmute. Usha Sukumaran Bhagini. Please unmute. Ha, Usha Bhagini, I think you're unmuted now. Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Ram Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Ram.
Mangalashasana parair madarcharya purogamai sarvaishcha purvairacharya Satkృతాయాస్తు mangalam.
Once again, Bhagini.
Mangalashasana parair Mangalashasana parair madarcharya purogamai sarvaishcha purvairacharya Satkృతాయాస్తు mangalam.
First two lines, the first two padas, we don't stop like that. We chant Mangala Shasana Parair Madacharya Purogamaihi at a stretch. It will come with practice. We don't stop anywhere. So Mangala Shasana Parair Madacharya Purogamaihi. One more observation. Yes, one more observation. Actually, two more. Sarvaishcha Purvairacharyahi. Either we should stop there with the complete Visarga or combine the Sandhi and chant it as Sarvaishcha Purvairacharyai Satkృతాyastu Mangalam. That Visarga Sakara. So instead of the Visarga, we get extra S when we chant both the lines together. Sarvaishcha Purvairacharyai Satkృతాyastu Mangalam. And last line, I think I heard a E somewhere, Satkrit, somewhere, I don't remember exactly where. It is Satkృతాyastu Mangalam.
I'll practice, ma'am. Yes,
Dhanyavada. Parvati Shrivats Bhagini. We will start again with Suprabhatam now, as we have completed revising even Mangala Shasanam.
Ram Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Ram.
Kausalya.
The first verse.
Kausalya Supraja Rama Purva Sandhya Pravartate Uttishta Narashardula Kartavyam Deva Manhikam.
Uttamam Bhagini. Just one thing here I wanted to share. See how beautiful Kausalya, that day in Dr. Soumya Bhagini's webinar, she showed how that has a Dvitvam. But we don't indicate that every time we write. But whether in this verse or when you Kausalya is a famous name, we all know Ramayanam, Rama's mother. So when we pronounce that word, automatically we are saying Dvitvam, Kausalya. We don't say Kausalya. I have never heard anyone say Kausalya. Even without our knowledge, we say Kausalya. So not that we have learnt the rules of Dvitvam since our childhood, that every time we say the word Kausalya, we remember, oh, there is a Dvitvam here and say Kausalya. Why I'm pointing this out is, this is the beauty of a language. As you hear and, just listen to more people speaking the language, it is just passed on by Kausalya, that pronunciation, that word. That is how all of us have pronounced it, whether we know Sanskrit or not. Therefore, it is not really necessary to indicate every Dvitvam. And Soumya Bhagini also showed how it would be in Shuklam Baradharam. She showed you that example. So certain things in a language, they are just passed on and it comes voluntarily to you. Especially Dvitvam in some places, of course, we have to point out in case you're missing it out. But in many other places, it comes automatically when you are pronouncing the word. So this example, Kausalya, is one such. Therefore, we don't really indicate, each and every Dvitvam while chanting. By listening, you will pick up the language and the right pronunciation. Next, Monica Balaji Bhagini.
उत्तिष्ठोत्तिष्ठ गोविन्द उत्तिष्ठ गरुडध्वज उत्तिष्ठ कमलाकान्त त्रैलोक्यं मङ्गलं कुरु.
Mangalam Kuru La.
Okay. Mangalam kuru.
Uttamam. Yes, yes. Uttamam Bhagini.
Dhanyavadaha.
Yeah, very well chanted. I know in many other Indian languages we say Mangala, especially in Kannada, etc. But in Sanskritam, again, this was also clarified in that class we had on grammar. It is Mangalam Kuru. Next, Raji Bhagini, please unmute.
मातः समस्त जगतां मधुकैट भारेः वक्षो विहारिणि मनोहर दिव्यमूर्ते श्री स्वामी निश्रित जनप्रिय दानशीले श्री वेंकटेश दयिते तव सुप्रभातम्.
It is Shri Swamini. Just a second, sorry. This was, I heard it as Sri. It is Shri. Shra. Shri Swamini, and also Dvitvam here. Shri Swamini Shrita Jana, a slight stress before this Sha here. Shri Swamini Shrita Jana Priyadana Shile. Dhanyavada.
Shall I tell once again?
This line you could chant.
Okay.
Shri
Swami Nishrita Jana Priyadana Shile Shri Venkatesha Dayite Tava Suprabhatam.
Much better, Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. Next, Sulochana Bhagini, please unmute. Sulochana Bhagini, please unmute.
Ma'am, I got unmuted. Suchitra Rajan.
Suchitra Rajan Bhagini. Oh, okay. Yes, yes. You haven't chanted, right?
No.
Okay. Please chant. Sorry.
Ram.
Ram.
Tava suprabhadamaravinda lochane bhavatu prasanna mukhachandra mandale vidishankarendra vanithabhirarchite Prishashailanatha Daite Dayanithe.
Your Mahapranas should be clearer everywhere, Bhagini. And first line, Tava Suprabhata Maravinda Lochane. We chant together. We don't split Tava Suprabhata Mara. It is not Maravinda Lochane. Actually, when you split, it is Tava Suprabhatam Aravinda Lochane. So we should not say Tava Suprabhata Maravinda Lochane. That won't be right. So Tava Suprabhatam Aravinda Lochane. You will get that with practice. Bhavatu Prasanna Mukha. Kha is Mahaprana. Chandra Mandale. Again, next line, Mahapranas. Vidhi Shankarendra Vanita Bhirarchite. Vrisha Shaila Natha Daite Dayanidhe. The Mahapranas should be clearer. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Those who have completed chanting, please lower your hand. Matangi Bhagini.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Bhagini. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, able to hear you.
Hello?
Yes, able to hear you, Bhagini. Please continue.
Hello, are you able to hear me?
Yes, able to hear you, Bhagini. Okay, probably she is not able to hear me. Okay, Matangi Bhagini, I think you've gone back to mute. Geeta Ganesh Bhagini, please unmute.
Suprabhadam. Ram Bhagini.
Ram.
Adriyadi sapta rishaya samapasya sandhyam Akasha sindhu kamalani manoharani Adaya pada yugamarchayitum prapannaha Sheshadrishekara vibho tava suprabhatam.
Mahapranas Bhagini. They have to be, especially last line. Sheshadri Shekhara Vibho Tava Suprabhatam. So Mahapranas should be clearer everywhere. And certain other letters also. Maybe if you listen to the recording, you will get to know. Please focus on Mahapranas, Bhagini. Dhanyavada.
धन्यवाद
Rajalakshmi S. Bhagini, please unmute. Those who have finished chanting, please lower your hand.
Suprabhatam Bhagini.
Suprabhatam. Let me change the verse. Yes.
Panchananabja bhava षण्मुखवासवाद्याः त्रैविक्रमादिचरितं विबुधास्तु वन्ति भाषापतिः पठति वासरशुद्धिमारात् शेषाद्रिशेखर विभो तव सुप्रभातम्.
Uttamam Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. Well chanted.
धन्यवादाः.
Next, Haima Kumar Bhagini, please unmute.
Ram 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 ma'am. Can you hear
Ram
me?
Ram Ram.
ईषत् प्रफुल्ल सरसीरुहनारिकेल पूगद्रुमादिसुमनोहर पालिकानाम् आवाति मन्दमनिलः सह दिव्यगन्धैः शेषाद्रिशेखर विभो तव सुप्रभातम्.
Uttamam Bhagini, well chanted.
Thank you.
Aditya Kannan.
राम 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 मैम.
Ram Ram Ram.
उन्मील्य नेत्रयुगमुत्तम पंचरस्थाः पात्रावशिष्टकदलीफलपायसानि भुक्त्वा सलीलमथकेलिचुकाः पठन्ति शेषाद्रिशेखर विभो तव सुप्रभातम्.
Once again.
उन्मील्य नेत्रयुगमुत्तम पंचरस्थाः.
Here, I heard it. I'm not sure whether it's because it's not, the voice is not clear. I heard it as Pancharasthaha. It is Panjarasthaha. J. Not Cha. Unmilya netra yugamuttama Panjarastha. Panjara.
Okay, ma'am.
I mean, I heard it as Cha, therefore. Yeah, next line.
Patra Vasishta
Vashishta. Again, it is not Vasishta, it is Vashishta. Slight difference. It instead of Patra Vasishta, please chant as Patra Vashishta. Sha.
Patra Vasishta.
Sha. Yes.
Patra Vasishta Kadali Phalapayasani.
This time it was right. Yes. Next line, Mahodaya.
Bhuktva Salila Mathakeli Chuka Pathanti. Sheshadrishekhara Vibho Tava Suprabhatam.
Uttamam. All of you please note this word Patra Vashishta. It is not Patra Vasishta. There is a tendency to say Patra Vasishta. That is Sa here. It is Patra Vashishta. Sha and Shta after that. Dhanyavadaha Aditya Mahodaya. Were you one of the participants in Geeta Mahodaya? Aditya Kannan Mahodaya?
Yes, ma'am.
Same participant. Okay. All the 18 chapters.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, wonderful. So I must tell all of you that Aditya Kannan participated in Kantapata, that is memorization of all 18 chapters of the Gita. And we had a Bhagavad Gita webinar and we had our assessment last Saturday. And we just had very few participants for a memorization of all 700 plus verses. And Aditya was one of them and he did a wonderful job. So we were all very happy. The judges also were very happy. He really enjoyed chanting. And he was quizzed about different, what are the names of the different chapters, and also asking lines which come in many chapters, and he did a great job. So telling all of you, because it is possible to memorize all 18 chapters of the Gita or any stotram for that matter. So he did a great job. Wonderful, Aditya. Abhinandanani. Next, Vinayaka Mahodaya, please unmute.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, ma'am. Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste.
तंत्री प्रकर्ष मधुर स्वनया विपंच्या गायत्यनंत चरितं तव नारदोऽपि भाषा समग्रमसकृत् करचार रम्यं शेषाद्रिशेखर विभो तव सुप्रभातम्.
Everywhere Mahapranas, Bhagini. Madhura, Dha should be Mahaprana. Then Bhasha Samagra, Bha should be Mahaprana. So if anyone listens to your chanting, they should clearly note that this is a Mahaprana. So please practice Mahapranas. Dhanyavadaha. Mahapranas are the life of any chanting in Sanskritam. And they are very important both for the language, the meaning, and for giving you the benefits of chanting Sanskritam verses. I know I'm repeating this many times. Please inculcate the habit of pronouncing the Mahapranas very clearly. Venugopal Mahodaya, please unmute. Venugopal Mahodaya, please unmute. Okay.
Bhagini, I was actually asked to unmute.
Kartik Narayan Swami Mahodaya.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, you could chant Mahodaya.
Bringavali cha makaranda sanvidya jhankara geetanandaihi sahasevanaya Niryatu panta sarasi kamalodarebhyah Sheshadrishekara vibho tava suprabhatam.
There are multiple letters to be corrected. Please listen to the recording. I will just read out the verse once. Bhringavali cha makarandara sanu vidha jhankara geeta ninadai sahasevanaya Niryatyupanta sarasi kamalodarebhyah Sheshadrishekhara vibho tava suprabhatam. Please practice with the recording, Mahodaya, because if I start correcting each and every letter, it will take a long time here. So please listen to the recording and learn. You have to focus on each and every letter. Next, Venugopal Mahodaya. Yes.
योषा गणेन परदग्निमत्यमाने दोषालयेषु दधिनं पुरुषाः रोषःकलिं विदरति कुम्भाः शेषाद्रिशेखरविभो तव सुप्रभातम्.
Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. I couldn't hear every letter carefully because the voice was very feeble. So I really couldn't hear every letter to be able to correct, but I think it was okay. Otherwise, you could listen to the recording. Vaiteki Mahodaya. Yes, you are unmuted.
Namaskar, Mahodaya.
Namaste, Bhagini. Padmesha Mitra.
Padmesha Mitra Shadabhadra Gadali Vargaha Hattum Shriyam Kuvalayasya Nijanga Lakshmya Beri Ninadamiva Bhipradidhi Vranatam Seshadrishekara Vibho Dava Suprabhatam.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. The Mahapranas everywhere have to be corrected. Bheri Ninadamiva Bibhrati Tivranadam Sheshadrishekara Vibho Tava Suprabhatam. Everywhere, each and every Mahaprana should be clear. Someone is named as Home. I don't know who that is. Anyone who has your screen name as Home, please unmute. Someone has named yourself as home. Please unmute. Yes, it is unmuted now. You could chant. Please unmute. Okay.
श्रीमन्नाभीष्ट वरदाखिल लोक बन्धौ श्री श्रीनिवास जगदेकद एकरिसिन्धौ श्रीदेवदागृह भुजान्तर दिव्यमूर्तौ श्रीवेङ्कटाचलपते सब सुप्रभातम्.
Few changes. Shrimannabhishta Varadakhila Loka Bandho. It is not dhau, it is Loka Bandho. Then Shri Srinivasa Jagadeka Dayaika Sindho. Again, not dhau. Shri Devatagriha Bhujantara Divya Murte. Not Divya Murtau. Divya Murte. Shri Venkatachalapate. Tava Suprabhatam. Only bha is Mahaprana. The ta is not a Mahaprana. So it is not Suprabhatam. It is Suprabhatam. Only where there is a Mahaprana, we should chant. Other letters, we shouldn't chant Mahaprana. K.V. Rao Mahodayah.
धन्यवाद भगिनी.
धन्यवादाः Mahodaya. Please chant this verse.
श्री स्वामी पुष्करिणिकाप्लव निर्मलांगा श्रेयोधिनो हरिविरिञ्च सनन्दनाद्या द्वारे वसन्ति वरवेत्र हतोत्तमांगा श्री वेंकटाचलपते तव सुप्रभातम्.
There are a few changes, Mahodaya. Shri Swami Pushkarini Kaplava Nirmalangaha Shreyorthino Shreyorthino Hara Virincha. It is not Hari Varincha or something like that. It is Hara Virincha. Some versions have Virinchi. That is also okay, but it is not Hari. It is Hara Virincha. Not Varancha. No, not Virancha, Virincha.
Hara Virincha.
Yes, it is Hara Virincha. Hara Virincha Sanandanadhyaha Dvare Vasanti Varavetraha Tottamangaha Shri Venkatachalapate, not Sri.
Sri Venkatachalapate.
Tava Suprabhatam.
Tava Suprabhatam.
Yes, Dhanyavadaha. Please note that it is Shri Venkatachalapate, all of you. It is not Sri Venkatachalapate. It is Shri. Shra. Shri Venkatachalapate Tava Suprabhatam. Usha Bhagini, please unmute.
Ram Bhagini.
Ram.
श्रीशेषशैलगरुडाचल वेङ्कटाद्रिनारायणाद्रिरुषभाद्रिरुषाद्रिमुख्यम् आङ्क्यात्वदीयवसतेरनिशं वदन्ति श्रीवेङ्कटाचलपते तव सुप्रभातम्.
Bhagini, it is Shri Shesha Shaila Garudachala Venkatadri, not Venkatadri. Like I said, we do not have the Hrasva version of A in Sanskritam. It is Venkatadri, not Venkatadri. Venkatadri, Narayanadri, Vrishabhadri, not Risha, Vrisha. It is not R, not like Rishihi. Vrishabhadri, V should be clearer. Vrishabhadri, Vrishadri, Mukhyam. Vr again here, Vrishabhadri, Vrishadri, V should be clear there. Akhyam, here also you chanted something else. Akhyam tvadiya vasate ranisham vadanti. So please note these changes. When you practice along with the recording, you will definitely get it. Chanchal Vadhva Bhagini, please unmute. Chanchal Vadhva Bhagini.
राम जी.
राम.
सेवा परा शिव सुरेश कृशानु धर्म रक्षो अम्बुनाथ पवमान धनाधिनाथः बद्धांजलि प्रविलसने जय शीर्ष देशः श्री वेंकटाचलपते तव सुप्रभातम.
Bhagini, so here again common observation, the letters should be chanted completely, as in Seva Parashiva. Here Parashiva Suresha Krishanu Dharma Rakshombunatha. We do not say Seva Parashiv Suresh. We don't say Shiv Suresh. We say Shiva Suresha Krishanu Dharma Rakshombunatha. We don't here say Ambunatha. Only when we split it, it would be Raksho Ambunatha. But we don't split like that because for the Chandas, it won't be proper when we are reciting the verse. So Rakshombunatha Pavamana Dhanadhinathaha Baddhanjali Pravilasannija Shirsha Deshaha Shri Venkatachalapate Tava Suprabhatam. We do not say Tava Suprabhatam. We say Tava Suprabhatam. Every letter should be chanted completely unless there is a halanta like the Suprabhatam. So Tava, not Tav. So hope that is clear, Bhagini. Next, Padma Narayan Bhagini. Please unmute.
Ram Ram Ram, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, Bhagini.
Okay, 17.
Seva Parashiva. Oh, sorry, this is done.
17, yeah, so just finished.
Dhati Shute, yes.
Dhati Shute Viragaraja Mrugadhiraja Nagadhiraja Gajaraja Hayadhiraja. Swaswadhikara Mahimadikamarthayante Shri Venkatachalapate Tava Suprabhatam.
Okay, well, good effort, Bhagini. Sorry, should ask you to chant the first line again.
Okay, breath control. Okay. Dhati Shute Vihagaraja Mrigadhiraja Ragadhiraja Gajaraja Hayadhiraja.
Uttamam, Uttamam.
Here, have to, breath control is a problem.
Yes,
but yeah.
yes. You will definitely develop it. Vihagaraja Mrigadhiraja. You know where to pause in case you want to take a breath. You did it correctly. Like I was saying in our previous classes also, there were a few who said they could not chant Guru Revagatihi, Guru Vandanam without, one line without taking a breath. But by the end of the webinar, they were easily able to chant bigger verses also. It is everything comes with practice.
Thank you very much. Bye.
Jayant Mahodaya, Jayant Bhuvaragan Mahodaya.
Namaskaram Bhagini, Suprabhatam.
Namaste Suprabhatam, Shruyate, Vadatu.
Suryendu Bhauma Budavakpati Kavya Sauri Swarbhanu Ketu Divishat Parishat Pradhanaha Tvaddasa Dasa Charamavadhidasa Dasaha Shri Venkatachalapate Tava Suprabhatam.
Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. Just one observation here after first line, it is Kavya Sauris Svarbhanu Dvitvam. So you chanted as Kavya Sauris Svarbhanu. Instead of that, we should chant it as Kavya Sauris Svarbhanu. That stress before S.
Kavya Sauris Svarbhanu.
Yes, Sauris Svarbhanu. Kavya Sauris Svarbhanu. That extra S, Dvitvam, that stress should be heard before Svarbhanu. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha.
Well chanted. Devi Shiva Bhagini, please unmute.
Ram Ram. Suryendu Bhauma Budavakpati Kavya Sau. Oh, sorry. Next one, right? I'm sorry.
Dvatpada Dhuli.
Okay, sorry. Dvatpada Dhuli Paridas Purida Totamangaha Swarga Pavarga Nirabesha Nijantra Rangaha Kalpagamana Kalanaya Kuladan Labante श्रीवेङ्कटाचलपते तव सुप्रभातम्.
धन्यवादाः भगिनी. There was some confusion regarding some letters. त्वत्पादधूलिभरितस्फुरितोत्तमाङ्गाः स्वर्गापवर्गनिरपेक्षनिजान्तरङ्गाः. Next line, it is not kalpa gamana. There is no gamana there. Na is not there. Kalpagama kalanaya kulatam labhante. Shri Venkatachalapate tava suprabhatam. And also the Mahapranas should be clearer, Bhagini. That is one observation. Next, we don't have much time left, but I will take a few names. We can continue tomorrow. Rajendra Mahodayah, please unmute.
त्वत्पुराग्रि शिखराग्रि निरीक्ष्यमाणाः स्वर्गापवर्ग पदवीं परमां श्रियन्तः मूर्ता मनुष्य भुवने मतिमाश्रयन्ते मत्या मनुष्य भुवने मतिमाश्रयन्ते श्रीवेङ्कटाचलपते तव सुप्रभातम्.
There were a few mistakes. Please listen to the recording. The letters in some places were interchanged, and Shri Venkatachalapate tava suprabhatam. Su. Could I listen to the last line again? Okay, no problem. Sita Raman Mahodayah, please unmute. Ram.
भूमिनायक दयाद्रि गुणामृताब्धे देवादिदेव जगदेक शरण्यमूर्ते श्रीमन्ननन्द गरुडाधिपिरार्चिताङ्घ्रे श्रीवेङ्कटाचलपते तव सुप्रभातम्.
First line, it is not Dayadri, it is Dayadi Gunamritabdhe. There is no Dri there. Shri Bhuminayaka Dayadi Gunamritabdhe. Please note that, Mahodaya. Dhanyavadaha. Manoj Kumar Jha, Mahodaya. Please unmute.
Shri Padmanabha Purushottam Vasudeva Shri Vaikuntha Madhava Janardan Chakrapane Shri Vatsa Chinna Saranagat Parijata Shri Venkatachalapate tava suprabhatam.
Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. Similar observation like I made for a few others. The letters should be chanted completely, as in instead of Shri Padmanabha, even between the word Purushottama, Vasudeva, Vaikuntha, Madhava, Janardana, Chakrapane, and instead of Shri Vatsa Chinha, Shri Vatsa Chinha. So there is a difference between saying Shri Vatsa Chinha and Shri Vatsa Chinha. So entire that akara should be heard. Sharanagata Parijata instead of Sharanagat Parijat. Sharanagata Parijata Shri Venkatachalapate tava suprabhatam. Dhanyavadaha. Please make that difference. I know sometimes that mother tongue influence would be there, but because we are chanting in Sanskritam, let us try to adhere perfectly to the rules of Sanskritam chanting. Bhavani Bhagini, please unmute.
Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste. Next verse, Bhagini.
Gandharvadharvasur Gandharvadharvahara Sundara Divyamurte Kanta Kuchambruha Gutmana Lola Drishte Kalyana Nirmala Gunakara Divya Kirte Shri Venkatachalapate Tava Suprabhatam.
Okay, first line Kandarpa Darpahara Sundara Divya Murte. There was some other letter here. Kandarpa Darpahara Sundara. Please note. Kanta Kuchamburuha Kutmala Lola Drishte Kalyana Nirmala Gunakara Divya Kirte Shri Venkatachalapate Tava Suprabhatam. I will take one more. We will do one thing. Those who haven't chanted even once in class till now, please send me an email. I repeat, those who have not chanted even once in class till now, please send me an email with your name. And please ensure that you have the same name here, so that when I type and find a participant, I should be able to find that name. Sometimes they send me from a different email ID and they are logged in from a different name. I won't be able to find them. So please ensure that the name which you send me on email and the name with which you are here is the same. So once you do that, I will call out those names tomorrow first, those who haven't chanted even once in class, because tomorrow would be the last individual chanting session. So I will call out those names first, and then maybe others, in case there's time, will get a chance to chant. We will take one last person for today. Kalyani Bhagini, please unmute the next verse. And I repeat, it should only be the ones who have not chanted even once in class, because I have the list and I will be cross-checking. And because the only reason I'm doing this is because I don't want anyone to feel that they didn't chant even once in the entire webinar. That's the reason we want to give as many as possible a chance to chant. Kalyani Bhagini, please chant this. Meena Krite.
Ram Ram. Ram Ram.
Ram Ram.
Meena Krute Kamalakot Meena Krute Kamatakola Nrusimhavarnin Swamin Parashvata Tapodana Ramachandra Shesham Charama Yadunam Danakalki Rupa Shri Venkatachalapate Tava Suprabhatam.
First line Bhagini, Kamatha Kola Nrisimha Varnin. Next, the Mahapranas should be clear. Swamin Parashvatha Tapodhana Ramachandra Sheshamsha Rama Yadunandana Kalki Rupa Shri Venkatachalapate Tava Suprabhatam. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Those who could not get a chance today also, I'm sorry, we have run out of time. But like I said, I will definitely give you a chance in tomorrow's class. Whoever has not chanted even once, send me an email to brinda.vyoma@gmail.com, and I will make a list and call out your names tomorrow in class. For assessment, you will have both memorization and Parayanam. Do we have to memorize? If you can memorize, that would be great. I just told you today we had Aditya with us, who memorized all the 18 chapters of the Gita. And compared to the Gita, this is just, just 70 verses. That is 700 plus. So 10 times this. So you can definitely memorize. Yes, one of you has said, yes, old habit of pronunciation, sha, sa, and sha, completely understand. We all have our own influences of various things in pronunciation. The purpose of this class is to try and get you to chant Sanskritam perfectly. So it is okay. We will all learn with practice and by listening again and again. Yeah, I get this message in every class. People from Tamil Nadu do not have a difference in these letters. I understand, Mahodaya, but because we are chanting Sanskritam, we need to differentiate these letters. And the best part of being from a country like India is you listen to so many languages. All of them here are multilingual. So we learn as many languages as possible. And Sanskritam, if you learn, it helps you in learning any other language also, especially other Indian languages. Would you have any video for pronouncing sa, sha, sha, ka, kha, ga, gha? Yes, we have a video in this webinar, the first video, the first class, where we have discussed the rules of pronunciation along with the Varnamala chart. Please go through that video. All the recordings are there on YouTube and on our course page. A lot of them have said congratulations to Aditya. I'm reading out because only I will be able to see the chat messages. Oh, techniques of memorization. Okay. Probably in tomorrow's class, I will deal with it in brief. Otherwise, there is another session. I did this in the Gita webinar. I will share that link with you. That will be helpful for any shloka memorization. On 30th, can we share our experience of the webinar? We have not yet decided on whether we will be having that video testimonials like we had for Gita. But if we had, you could all, if we have it, sorry, you could all please share. If you want to share any feedback or your experience, if the webinar has helped you, you could definitely share it on the 30th. Should all 4 sections be read together every day? See, again, it's really up to you, sir. I mean, if you could do that, great. Otherwise, you can do maybe a few, you can do one, depending on the time. And whatever else also you are chanting every day depends on that too, on how much time you have. Okay. So we will conclude with Shanti Mantraha. Those who haven't chanted even once, please send me an email today. Please send me by this evening. If you send me early morning tomorrow, I may not be able to see the email before class. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः सर्वेभ्यः नमस्काराः धन्यवादाश्च. Thank you very much. It has been a very, very fruitful webinar. Every early morning, waking up and doing this Suprabhata Seva. So tomorrow will be our final individual chanting session, followed by 30th when we will have the concluding session of this webinar. Dhanyavadaha sarvebhyah. Ram Ram Ram.